What is up, YouTube? What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to Smitheys, the truck and travel channel. And as you can see behind me, that breathtaking lake right behind me, and this is my campground site. Got my awning pulled out, got this little green hook right here for whatever reason. Got a little prep table, fire ring, and also a picnic table. But what is awesome is this little trail right here. You got that absolutely right. Look how beautiful my little piece of this lake is. Oh my Lord. Oh, it's wow. This is a beautiful spot, and I'm all secluded. There's like no one for three spots that way. No one, but there's no one that way, like at all. It's absolutely amazing. So this is my piece of paradise. This spot is so great. I'm actually at Longwood Park. It's in Chester, Virginia. And as you can see, my 4Runner with the light, you see the light shining right there. This is an absolutely perfect spot. Actually put me in the greatest mood. You can swim in here, you can fish in here, you can throw your boat in it, do whatever you want in it. This lake is pretty damn big, but I'll catch you in the morning for the sunset. So, hello. I forgot to get the sunset because I woke up late. I haven't done anything but swim. I've been in the lake all day. From like 2 o'clock until now it's 6 o'clock, I think. And I'm headed to the showers right now, and then make me some food, fix my iPad. I'll see you in a sec. All right, so what I'm having tonight is some mac and cheese. And if you've never put tuna in your mac and cheese, you're missing out. I swear it is the best combination ever. But check this view out. So there's your mac and cheese. This is the tuna. Get that protein, boy. Get that protein. When I do this, I put a little bit more water than you're supposed to have, because the tuna will suck up a lot of water too. But check that out for $2. So the one thing that's irritating about this tablet right here, this is the iPad Air. 4th generation. I don't really care for the 5th generation. They didn't really improve that much for me to go out and get it. And I don't have the money for it anyway. I think the problem with a lot of Apple products is they only give you one port. Like, damn. They only give you one port. And that's the problem that I'm having. I can't charge and watch movies on my tablet. So what I did is I went and got me a hub so I can charge, and it has multiple ports for other accessories. It's kind of cool. I didn't know you could charge with these. It's USB-C too, so that's awesome. I thought you could only use these for like Bluetooth mice, keyboards, and blah 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 blah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run this behind my Molly panel and then put it in this cabinet right here. Hey, it works. All right, so it's the next day and I moved spots. It's a little bit more sunny on this side, on this spot, but I'm at the same park. It's Longwood Park. But look at this view. Got my own little private beach right here. Oh. That's why I didn't show you the sunrise from the other spot, because I I knew I was moving to this one. It's going to be way better. If I would have got this spot first, I wouldn't have had any neighbors, but since it's been 2 days at the other spot, I have one neighbor. But there's nobody at that one. There's nobody at that one. There's one way down there, but it's not that bad. What's up, YouTube? I just wanted to show a different angle of this beautiful lake. Well, besides this jackass that has a generator. Like, come on, man. He's like right up in there. You're only allowed to run the generators until 10 p.m. so it's not that big of a bother. But it is kind of annoying right now when I'm trying to, as soon as I turn my camera on. Oh well. Did I let y'all guys know that I've only been staying at campgrounds for like 2 weeks, and I actually really like it. Like, I've never done it. 2 weeks ago, I tried my first one because I got a crazy good deal on it, and they were like, yeah, you can come, we'll give you 50% off. I'm like, what, 50% off to stay at this beautiful campground? Okay. So ever since then, I've been hooked. So I've been just traveling around, trying to decide where my life is going while staying at these beautiful, beautiful campgrounds. That sun is really bright. Where's my car? And I'm staying right there. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my swimming time. And then I'm gonna get out, make me something to eat, and then go take a shower, and then call it a night. Well, that's all she wrote for this campground. I'm gonna put the awning up, finish packing up, and then I'm gonna be on the road. One quick note, I don't always have the most interesting videos. That's always gonna be the case. I don't always have the most exciting videos. I'm just trying to show you my day-to-day, just trying to share my weeks with you guys. That's the main reason why I do this. Like I said, that's it for this one. I'm about to head out right now. Catch me next week, and I may be in Canada. No, I can't, because I have to stay pretty local to North Carolina because I have some medical appointments I gotta hit, and I have to be here to hit those. But after that, I may be in Canada. Yeah. Well, that's it for this one. I'll catch you on the next one.